You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this hotel. There's one in Paris, and I think there's one in La Clusaz and other places around France, maybe elsewhere too. Did I miss anyone? Any of them? Let me know in the comments. Beauregard is the French pronunciation. Beauregard with a silent D. In English you can say it as Beauregard, Beauregard, or some pronounce the D, Beauregard, Beauregard, or Beauregard Hotel Beauregard. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.